Hi, guys, ladies, gentlemen, Happy New Year. It's Paula Smith. Happy 2019. I'm very excited to be chatting with you guys this way. It's been a while since I've done videos and talked to folks on the Imago journey via video, and so I'm going to probably be doing a lot more this year. But anyway, I won't take up a lot of your time. I just wanted to check in, say hello, and some of you guys I haven't seen in a while. So I'm asking myself, like, what's up with that? Are you doing great or what? So let me know what's happening in your marriage, in your relationship. I look forward to checking in with you at some point in 2019. Also, to let you know about some upcoming programs that I'm offering, and one is the Valentine's Weekend Workshop. That's in February 16th and 17th from 9 to 5, right here at the office. It is a Getting the Love You Want, Imago Weekend Workshop, where we are focusing on love. That is the goal. I'm very excited about it. You guys know my thing is love. And so I'm really happy to be able to bring that to you for Valentine's weekend. Um, so if you're interested, the space is limited. I think we're only enrolling 6 or 7 couples. And let me know, check in with me, let me know if you're interested. Also, I know some of you guys have some trepidation about running into somebody this being Rhode Island, worrying about what's going to happen in the workshop. So let me just kind of clarify that this workshop is really all about bringing out the best aspects of love and relationships. So it's educational based, and it means pretty much you're going to be learning the bigger picture about Imago from beginning to end. You're going to have the opportunity to experience all of the Imago processes, which are really very beautiful, as some of you guys know. And we are focusing on the positive side. We are focusing on the best that love has to bring you. So this isn't an intensive, so we won't be getting deep into issues, but we will be really cultivating love and bringing out the best that a group can offer. So it's very, very exciting, and I'm very excited about it. The other thing I want to talk to you women about is my women's group that I co-facilitate with my colleague Judith Clark Jones. We've been doing this women's group for quite a while. It's been in existence for over 30 years, and I think I've been co-facilitating with Judith for 4. That's going to be coming up, and the group starts on January 29th. On Tuesdays. It's a 12-week group, so you must commit to all 12 sessions. And the process is check in with me, give me a text, shoot me an email, let me know that you're interested. And then you will be called for a 20-minute interview where you will meet with Judith and I together, and we will discuss your goals and tell you a little bit more information about the group. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm really looking forward to this year. I'm very, very excited about 2019. Um, yeah, I mean, for me, it's really all about growing relationships, and just so that you guys know, I know a lot of you feel like you're alone in your relationship, but just know that there are 49 other couples that have received this email notice. So there's 50 of you within the last year, I think, who are and who have embarked on the Imago journey. So it's important for you to know that you're part of something bigger. You're part of a larger community. Our community here in Providence, our community here in Rhode Island, and you're part of the worldwide Imago community, and that you're not alone. So I hope to see you soon. Give me a call, give me a text. Oh, the other thing I forgot to tell you guys too, that I heard you. So because of that, I'm also working with individuals, doing individual therapy, and also offering shorter couple sessions. So those couple sessions look like 90-minute sessions, which you can do weekly, bi weekly, monthly, however, whatever fits your schedule. Okay. So give me a call, give me a text, let me know how you're doing. If you've done an intensive over the last year, shoot me an email, let me know what is happening in your relationship and how you're living with the information that you have learned. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you. I'm really looking forward to this year and sharing more of Imago and sharing more of myself with you. And so, again, Happy New Year, Happy 2019, and may the very best show up in your life this year. Blessings.